Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today lesson is vegetables, onion, garlic, ginger, potato, onion, garlic, ginger, potato, carrot, cucumber, pepper, cabbage. Once again, carrot, cucumber, pepper, cabbage, peas, tomato, pumpkin, aurum. Once again, peas, tomato, pumpkin, aurum, mint, bitter gourd, cauliflower, tinder, capsicum. Third time again, onion, garlic, ginger, potato, carrot, cucumber, pepper, cabbage, peas, tomato, pumpkin, arum, fenugreek, spinach, mint, coriander, bitter gourd, cauliflower, tinder, capsicum. MashaAllah.